In today's video, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the portable washing machine. We'll explore their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub features a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning. This design is ideal for those who want efficiency in their laundry process. In contrast, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store. While the Giantex is more robust in functionality, the Ginchat's compactness is perfect for those with limited space. When it comes to functionality, the Giantex washing machine includes a spin cycle, allowing for more thorough drying of clothes. This is a significant advantage for users who need their laundry done quickly. On the other hand, the portable washing machine does not include a spin drying function, which means clothes may remain wet after washing. This could be a drawback for those who require a complete laundry solution. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub has a larger washing capacity of 12 pounds, which is suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, which is more suited for small items like baby clothes or underwear. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have larger items to wash. In conclusion, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is an excellent choice for those needing a reliable washing machine with a spin cycle and larger capacity. However, if portability and space-saving design are your top priorities, the portable washing machine is a fantastic option for washing small items. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.